Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the one of most important and used framework in AI world, which is called LiteLLM. So LiteLLM is the use for many things like the proxy to the LLM, proxy to the MCP tool we can say, and proxy to the AI agents as well, A2A agents. So this is the documentation. It's open source. It's a premium also for enterprise edition, but we can utilize the open source and learn more about that, and many people are using that. So this is the documentation. I will give you the link in the description below as well. So here is the complete thing. In today's video I am going to explain you how we can use the LiteLLM, and it's a descriptive guide of the LiteLLM, whatever LiteLLM can say. So let's go to the theory. We have one thing which is called LiteLLM. So first understand the concept. So when developer want to access the AI agents, MCP tools, or LLM APIs, so what AI we oftenly do is called we use the OpenAI or the Groq or the Google's Python SDK or the TypeScript SDK and utilize that. But every SDK has different syntax. First of all, sometimes we want to use the multiple things as well. We want to use OpenAI as well and Google's as well, and the Anthropic as well, the third three one. So for every these things, we can't write the code and different code for managing that, right? So we have one framework in middle of that, which sit middle of that, which can take the input from the developer, analyze it, convert to the respective API or convert to the respective coding which Google or Anthropic understand, and forward it to the Google and Anthropic or call their APIs. So that's the basic and the one of the main concept of LiteLLM. You can understand this via this diagram as well. It's a very simple one. How you can implement in the practical way, I can explain you that. So first of all, this is I just import the LiteLLM. I Let me install the LiteLLM as well. Here is the pip install LiteLLM. This is the syntax. I already installed, so it can not take too much time for me. Also, you can use the uv.add LiteLLM. With this, you can also install your LiteLLM using UV library. Let me zoom it little bit so you can understand that. So here is the things, right? So let me go to the coding. Here you can say I just imported that LiteLLM completion feature, completion function we can say. I have imported the OS model. I type the message content hello how are you, and the role is this is the basic syntax of any API call to the LLM. So here I use the we can say not OpenAI, it's a Groq. So you can see that here is the completion thing, model equal to I use the Groq and the model name. So why I use the Groq? Because if I want to go for OpenAI, I will say OpenAI slash the model name. So it can automatically detect that their respective API call functionality and utilize it based on that feature. So we have to use the model provider slash model name, then message, whatever the message I have, then API key, whatever the API key that Groq model calling required. So I just use the API key equal to this, and I just printing the response. If I want to use many things like the open API, then I use the same thing, same method, only the this model name differ, message also same, and the API key is also differ. So let's comment out this thing for and let's test it. Let me use it LLM test. This is my Python program, so it can do the call on behalf of me and give me the response. You can see that it's go to that Groq API, give me the response from this model, also chat completion, and give me that okay, oh, okay, I am functioning properly. How can I assist you today? So this is the response. I got it from LLM. Here we can see many other things as well, which sometimes we can't see in our LLM call. So here you can see completion token, prompt token, how much token is required, total token, completion token details, none. It's a prompt token details, something are none. So here is you can say queue time, whatever the how much time it's required for doing this operation. It can give us that as well. Prompt timing, completion time, total timing, how much time is the response required. So this is the one of the call, and you can see this JSON format output as well. So this is the beauty. If I want to do for the Open API or any Google API, and LiteLLM support many all the providers almost, Anthropic and all. So you can just use the Anthropic as a service provider slash their model name. So let's go to the server part. How we can create the server so user can easily interact with that, right? This is the testing script. So here I just write all the code, whatever the required. So here I will import the union from typing. I also created the fast server using the fast API. Then I use the LiteLLM completion with retries. I just implement that. Also unicorn, OS and base model. So for the return time completion request, how the request will come from API to my server. So I just define as a class with the base model class. This is the standard way of Pydantic. Model name, user will pass a message and maximum token. It's a default token we put, but if user want many token, they can pass in their request, and LiteLLM can automatically handle that. So here is the API, whatever we have, app equal to API. I just initializing the fast API. Uh, in the base thing, I just use the hello world. I just use the get method for the hello world. And for the post method, you can see I use the chat slash completions. This is my API will become. After that API, I just use that function. Request type will be something like this. Completion request. I use the data. In the chat completion with retries. What is retries means? Retries means here you can see that what we use completion only, which means completion that. But here is retries is that it retries 4 to 5 times based on the default timer. If you want to retries means if sometimes a model will not available or something happen or model will break, so it try to retries to getting that answer. If something fails, in this completion method, it will not try to retry that. It just fail and then get us the response. It's failed or with the error message. But here it can try to retry again and again for the specific interval of time. And once that is done, then it can give us the output. So now you can see that I am response completion and whatever we have, it's giving me. I am just returning the response and I am initializing my Unicorn server with 8000 port. So here is the thing. Here is the simple program. It will help you easy to understand. All the things are covered in this video as a part of LiteLLM. Also LiteLLM provides some more things as well, but you don't need to worry on that. You can just go to the documentation and explore that. Here you can see that there are the logging, monitoring, troubleshooting and all other things as well, routing, load balancing. You can see LiteLLM gateway as well. It can provide gateway as well. Few features are available for the free, few feature are available for the enterprise edition. So now let me start this server, our Unicorn server. We can say LLM server.py. This is my file. It will initialize my server as a fast API. I also have the payload.txt. So here is my payload. So my Unicorn server is initialized on 800 port. You can see here. Once that is done, this is my payload or localhost t chat completion application JSON. I am passing it my model name, whatever I have. Message equal to hello, how are you, and the role. So let me copy this. Go to my another terminal, paste it, and just hit enter. Once I hit enter it, I got the response. You can see I received here the 200, which is means success. So here you can see I have the response, function properly, read assistant, how can I help you today, something like that. So this is the something, it's you can say all the completion token and all the information whatever we have. So in that way we have very much flexibility. We don't want to depend on any LLM provider or any model provider. We just have to use their model and utilize it. There is no code change if I change the model in future. If I use the Anthropic and build my complete application using the Anthropic framework, Anthropic SDK of Python, and if in future I want to change that and I want to switch that to the OpenAI. So how can that possible? Here I just have to change one line of code and it's everything is done. But if I use the Anthropic SDK, I have to go there, choose many line of code, add that functionality, checking that what functionality is missing in Anthropic and present in OpenAI, something like that. We have to do lots of things. So here we have everything is simple. So here is the full demo of mine, how LiteLLM works. LiteLLM provides many features, as I said earlier. You can see that Here is the documentation for it. Support endpoints, LiteLLM proxy, LiteLLM completion token using cost. Also, it's LiteLLM. Most people use LiteLLM in the budgeting thing. How much budget I can allocate for the specific user, specific team. You can explore that. Also, you can stay tuned with my this video YouTube channel where I will also upload many videos related to the LiteLLM. So also you can see the build the project with LiteLLM and all the things. That's pretty much for today. Oh, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.